They call it the oxidation killer. Do not abuse this. It is the #1 antioxidant. This has replaced more than 100 doctors and 40 clinics. Medical clinics are afraid. With this product called pycnogenol, you can say goodbye to diabetes, heart disease, flaccid skin, stress, allergies. You will also look 10 years younger and uncover the arteries and clean your colon completely. Pycnogenol is the most powerful antioxidant nowadays and acts as protection against various toxins. Studies have shown that pycnogenol is 50 times more effective than vitamin E and 20 times more potent than vitamin C. The study shows that pycnogenol is rapidly absorbed and distributed throughout the body in as little as 20 minutes. Pycnogenol also activates vitamin C before exiting the body. The positive effects of pycnogenol are many and varied. 1. It improves the elasticity of the skin. 2. It reduces the inflammation of the prostate. 3. Reduces diabetic retinopathy and neuropathy. 4. Improves circulation and vitality of cells. 5. Improves and prevents the formation of varicose veins and reduces the risk of phlebitis. 6. Reduce the effects of stress. 7. Reduces allergic reactions. 8. Strengthens the capillaries, arteries, veins and walls of blood vessels, including those that supply the heart. 9. Reduce swelling of the lower limbs. What are antioxidants? Antioxidants are substances that protect cells from the harmful effects of free radicals. Many experts believe that damage done by free radicals is an important factor in the development of atherosclerosis, various cancers, heart disease, Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's disease, and many other chronic diseases. How to take pycnogenol? You can take it in pills, but first get informed with your nearest doctor. You can buy it in any herbalist,